I'm also fine with the grace of God. Friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make NaOH. To know how to make NaOH, if you are new on my and you can see light layer of NaOH on the walls of the jar. Yeah, there it is. This is the NaOH producing at the sides. You can see that the solution is so concentrated that the electrodes have broken from the copper wires and they have fallen into the solution. So friends, please support me. Allah Hafiz. May God bless you all.